Big toes in. Spread the rest of your toes out. Take a moment here. Close your eyes. Balance on your feet the way your body wants to move. Find the center. Maybe keep your eyes closed. Rise up on tip of your toes. Open your eyes in your own time. Bend your knees. Keep your heels lifted. Rise arms up. Stretch your legs. Find that spot ahead of you or down. And bend. And stretch. And bend. Release heels down. Place palms at the heart center. Inhale. Exhale. Twist spine to your left side. Right elbow on your left thigh. Push with your top palm against your lower palm. Open chest up to the left side. And look down. Step your right leg back. Weight stays on your left leg. Once you've got balance, gaze towards your left side. And then you rise top of your body up and open your arms. You are in spinal twist. Left palm is reaching back. You gaze towards your back palm. Palms are facing down. Rest back palm on your back leg. Reach up through your top palm. Open chest up towards the ceiling. Back arch. Keep the same arm up. Inhale, exhale. Lower top palm down inside of your front leg and reach up through your left arm. So you're still twisting your spine. And let's go with the rotation of your top arm all the way around and back. Inhale up, exhale down. You can incorporate movement of your back knee, lowering it down and rising up. As you reach up through your top arm, you twist your hips and bring your top palm all the way back, gaze towards the back. Keep extension of your lower leg and flexion of your lower foot. Inhale, reach up with your back palm. Exhale, place it inside of your front leg. Release back heel down. Open right arm up towards the ceiling. Gazing up. You can find a bind. Bind your front leg with both palms. You can stay here or step your back leg forward. And rising your left leg up. Find balance on your supporting right leg, bird of paradise. Find that spot ahead of you. Stretch your top leg. Keep extending lower leg and upper body. And you can start releasing your top foot down. Gradually, step your right leg back. And release your palms beside your front leg. Pivot on your back leg. Rise your front leg up. 3 legs up. Balance on supporting foot up and down. You can flex and point your top foot as you go. As you point, look up, inhale, exhale. Find weight through chaturanga. Inhale, open up in up dog. Exhale, down dog. Take a moment here. If you feel like walking on spot, take a walk on spot. Ground your feet and palms. Relax, head down. Inhale, rise up on toes, bend knees, look up. Exhale, step or jump forward. Open chest up, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, bend your knees, rise arms up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Close your eyes. Balance on your feet if your whole body wants to move. Catch up with your breath.